decide to choose or buy BYD?
Sa BYD kasi alam naman natin yung features ng BYD. And of course, yung fuel efficiency yung habol natin. Pero mostly, since I was able to try different car brands before, more on dun sa technology talaga yung hinabol ko.
How was your experience with our after-sales service?
After sales service, maayos naman yung after sales. Nung first week nang nagkaroon ako ng car, may mga tanong ako at mga tulong ako na hiningi dun sa service niyo. And they actually, I got great service. They went here and assisted me with the issues that I had. And eventually, yung issues naman naging naayos naman.